In this video, let us learn how to create an Angular application. You can create or set up an Angular application from the quickstart C or Angular CLI from angular.io website. CLI is nothing but command line interface. Let me move to this angular.io site. Click get started. On your left hand side you have got guide. Click open it. Select setup. Inside setup, they have given the proper procedure to create or set up an Angular application using Angular Quick Start Seed. Either you can clone or download the Quick Start Seed into your project folder. So let us try that now. Before starting that, we need to do the environment setup. For that, you need to download and install Node version 4.x or higher. Download and install npm version 3.x or higher. For downloading Node, you can go back to the browser again and you can select the appropriate version and the appropriate OS. Once done, open the command prompt and check in for the Node version. Just type node-v. The version I have installed is version 6.x and npm-v. It is 3.7.3. All set now. What is the next step? The next step is to clone the project from the git URL. So let me just go down. I need to use this line to clone the project from this quickstart.git. So let me go and select a folder of my choice. So I have got a folder as Angular 2. Let me right click and say git bash here. I will create an empty repository, git init. Then let me clone the project from angular.io website. I am copying this line, coming back here, right click paste. So instead of quick start, I want to give the project name as my project. My project is created. Let me open that now. You can see the complete project structure created. Let me open this project in Visual Studio Code. So this is the complete project setup. Let me open package.json. So these are the dependencies that are required for this Angular 2 project. You need to install them. So open this project from the command prompt. I am opening this project from the command prompt. I need to say npm space install. All the dependencies will be installed in a folder called as node_modules inside your project. You can see that all the dependencies are installed properly now, and also a node_modules folder is created. All the Angular related libraries and the corresponding dependency libraries are also installed for this particular application. The next step is we need to run the application. Before running the application, come back to this project folder. You are having a text file as non-essential files. Open that. This specifies the files which are not needed to run this application. They are related to testing. If you are not in need of testing or if you don't want to do testing, you can delete these files which are sitting in your project. So let me just identify these files and delete them. So I have deleted the files which are not needed as of now for my project. The next step is let us explore the project now. Whatever you are seeing outside SRC belong to building the application, testing the application and deploying your application. Whatever is inside SRC belong to your application. So let me open SRC. Inside SRC I have got app folder. Inside the app folder only I have got this module file and the component file. I will open this in Visual Studio Code. So inside SRC I have got app.module.ts. Let me open that. This is the module file and it is decorated with @ng module. Whatever imports are needed for this particular module is given inside imports. Whatever components are attached to this module are given inside declarations. App component is the root component, so that will be bootstrapped by this app module automatically. Let me open app component.ts. TS is the extension for TypeScript. automatically the corresponding JavaScript file will be created by using a transpiler. And this is my app component, and this is decorated with @component. App component is also a class. It is having a property name and the value is Angular. I am trying to retrieve the value using double curly braces. This is called as interpolation. Don't worry, we will be talking in detail about this later. And you can just see here, it is not single quotes, it is backtick. Backtick is used if you are having multiple lines of HTML code in template. So all set now, your module is ready, your component is ready. And there is one more file called as main.ts. Main.ts is used to bootstrap your application. It is bootstrapping this app module and it is making your application run in the browser. The file that will be called automatically is index.html. So let me open index.html also. In index.html we have added few files which are needed for running this application. This polyfills. What is the meaning of polyfills? The older browsers will not accept it. For that we are adding this polyfills. And come down to the body tag wherein you have added the root component myapp. So automatically it will go in search of this component myapp and the template code which is given over here will be printed. Hello, within curly braces you are giving name. So hello Angular will be printed. So now let us run this application. To run this application, type npm start. The application is getting built. The compilation is happening. That is, all the TS files will be converted into JavaScript, and finally the application is getting opened in localhost 3000 and it is printing hello Angular. So we have just set up a simple application using the quickstart seed which is given from angular.io and the application has run successfully. We can go and modify the code over here. Instead of hello name, I am removing this. I am just going and changing here message have a good day, and in between H1 I can just give double curly braces message. I am saving this. Once you save, automatically it is getting refreshed and reloaded. Now I will come back to the browser. In the browser you can see the output as have a good day. That's it. In the next video, let us learn how to set up an Angular application using this Angular command line interface. Thank you.